Chipotle Mayonnaise. Here, I'll break down creating a homemade mayonnaise spread. Then, adding smoky and spicy flavors, this makes a terrific spread on sandwiches, burgers, and quesadillas. Let's begin with the yolk of 1 egg and whisk. Now I'll add vinegar 1 teaspoon at a time. Now comes in the mustard, and now some water. Very important that at this step we add the oil in very slowly as we whisk it into the mixture so that the egg yolk can fully absorb the oil. In addition, it's recommended that we use a neutral flavored oil such as canola oil so that it does not distract from the other seasonings we're going to be putting in a few moments. To add heat, we'll incorporate adobo sauce, lime juice for acidity, and now paprika for a smoky taste profile. And there you have it, quick and easy Chipotle Mayonnaise. Please like, please subscribe, please drop a comment down below, and enjoy!